Hey people! In the last video, you learned how to edit your document to perfection. Now in this video, we'll see how to proofread your final draft, to give it the final finishing, before submitting it to your professor. If you have enough time, you must keep your work aside for a few hours, days or weeks. It depends on your deadline. To proofread your document, you need to be very sure that the subconscious mind doesn't intervene. It knows everything. But when proofreading, keep Mr. Know-it-all aside. Here are some tips. Give yourself enough time. Do not let previous instructions intervene. Check for basic guidelines again. Do not read the work on the screen. Get the printout. It is easier to mark mistakes with pencils than to find errors on the screen. If you want to submit a pitch-perfect paper, you need to be sure that you go an extra step to make it so. Just follow these simple tips. Get the hard copy. Mark the changes. Review changes before acting. Keep your mind at peace when you are set to proofread your work. Read the work aloud to ensure that it is not only your mind and eyes, but also your ears and tongue that are involved in the process. When all your senses are working, the chances of missing a mistake lower down by many folds. Here are some tips to be followed. Read out loud. Eyes check the work. Tongue speaks your words. Ears verify what you speak. Find yourself a reading partner. Let the other person go through your work. Pointing fingers is easy. So, just find someone who would read your academic paper well, and point your mistakes. If you have enough time, exchange documents with your friends, and proofread each other's work. Here are some important tips. Your friend can read the work. A new person reads with new perspective. Person reading the work does not know about it. Start reading your work from the end. You already know the information that you have placed in the work. All you need to do is check the connectivity and the flow of information. So easy. Pick up the work, and start reading from the last paragraph. You get to know the flow of information and voids much easily. Here are some tips. Read in reverse order. Search for voids. Check flow of information. Just turn tech savvy, and let your document be finally scrutinized by artificial intelligence. Here are some important tips. Spell check on. Check on Grammarly. Use other software. Here's a quick replay. Go through the points. Erase what you wrote. Hard copy easy read. Be at peace read aloud. 1 is good, 2 are better. Begin from the end. No more physical labor, use technology. For more such informative videos, subscribe to our channel and let us know your academic troubles, so that we can come up with some interesting solutions.